EDaily conversation.
Hello.
Hi.
Are you traveling today?
Yes, I am going on a trip.
That sounds exciting.
Yes, I am very happy.
Where are you going?
I am flying to Japan.
That is wonderful.
I have always wanted to visit.
Is this your first time at this airport?
No, I have been here before.
The airport is very large.
Yes, there are many people.
I see many travelers with suitcases.
Yes, everyone looks busy.
Do you have your ticket?
Yes, it is on my phone.
That is convenient.
I also have my passport.
Good. You are ready.
Yes, I prepared everything.
Do you feel excited about the trip?
Yes, I am very excited.
How long is your flight?
It is about 6 hours.
That is not too long.
Yes, I think it will be comfortable.
Did you pack everything you need?
Yes, I packed clothes and some snacks.
That is smart.
I like to be prepared.
Let us go to the check-in counter.
Yes, it is this way.
The airport signs are very helpful.
Yes, they make it easy to find places.
I think the counter is over there.
Yes, I see it too.
There are several counters here.
Yes, each airline has its own counter.
Your airline is on the left side.
Thank you for helping me.
You are welcome.
Let us check in now. Good morning. Good morning. May I see your passport? Yes, here it is. Thank you. You're welcome. Do you have your ticket? Yes, it is on my phone. Please show me the screen. Here it is. Thank you very much. No problem. Do you have any luggage to check in? Yes, I have one suitcase. Please put it on the scale. Okay. Your luggage weight is fine. That is good to hear. Did you pack your bag yourself? Yes, I did. Are there any dangerous items inside? No, there are not. Very good. Thank you. Here is your boarding pass. Thank you very much. Your gate is number 12. I understand. Boarding will start in 1 hour. That is good to know. Please go through security first. I will do that. Have a pleasant flight. Thank you very much.
Everything went smoothly.
Yes, the process was easy.
Now we can go to security.
Yes, let us go.
Please show your boarding pass.
Here it is.
Thank you.
What should I do next?
Please put your bag on the belt.
Okay.
Please remove your phone and keys.
I will put them in the tray.
Thank you.
What about my jacket?
Please place your jacket in the tray as well.
Okay.
Now, please walk through the scanner.
No problem.
Everything looks good.
That is great.
You may take your bag and your things.
Thank you.
Have a nice flight.
Thank you very much.
That security check was quick.
Yes, it was very efficient.
Now we can go to the gate.
Yes, gate 12.
The signs are clear here.
Yes, it is easy to follow.
I see some shops here.
Yes, airports always have shops.
Some people are buying snacks.
Others are drinking coffee.
Traveling can make people hungry.
That is true.
Do you want to buy a drink?
Maybe later.
Let us go to the gate first.
That is a good idea.
This is gate 12.
Yes, we are in the right place.
The plane is not here yet.
We have time to wait.
The airport chairs are comfortable.
Yes, they are.
Do you like flying?
Yes, I enjoy traveling.
I like seeing new places.
Me too.
What do you want to see in Japan?
I want to see temples and mountains.
That sounds interesting.
I also want to try the food.
Japanese food is very famous.
Yes, I want to try sushi.
Sushi is delicious.
I agree.
Look, the plane is arriving.
That is our plane.
It looks very large.
Yes, it is a big airplane.
Many passengers will board soon.
I see people standing already.
Boarding will start soon.
I am excited.
Traveling is always an adventure.
Yes, every trip is special.
The airport is busy today.
Many people are traveling.
Some people are using laptops.
Others are reading books.
Waiting time can be relaxing.
Yes, it gives time to think.
I like watching airplanes.
Me too.
They look powerful and elegant.
Yes, they are amazing machines.
The announcement is starting.
Boarding may begin now.
Now boarding passengers for Flight 205.
That is our call.
Let us line up.
Okay.
Please show your boarding pass.
Here it is.
Thank you. Welcome aboard.
Thank you.
The plane interior looks clean.
Yes, it looks comfortable.
This is my seat.
My seat is next to you.
That is great.
The trip will be fun.
I will put my bag in the overhead bin.
I will do the same.
Now we can sit down.
The seats are comfortable.
The flight attendants are greeting passengers.
Yes, they look very professional.
Soon the plane will take off.
I am looking forward to the trip.
I hope you enjoy the flight.
Thank you.
We will arrive in a few hours.
Yes, I cannot wait to explore.
This will be a memorable journey.
I believe so.
Traveling opens the mind.
That is very true.
Now let us relax during the flight.
Yes, let us enjoy the journey.